When you get to my level of tool addiction, there comes a point where you start forgetting where and when you receive certain tools. This is a 1/2-inch drive ratchet from Ace Hardware. I'm just throwing together kind of a, I don't want to say a junk kit, but a junk kit, if you will, for my car, just in case I ever need to do some repairs when I'm on the go. So let me show you how to give this thing a little love, do some maintenance on it. As you can hear, there's nothing protecting the teeth of the pawl here with the gears of the ratchet head. So ultimately this thing will prematurely wear out unless we add some lubricant to protect that metal-to-metal contact. So a lot of these kind of older vintage style ratchets are pretty similar in how you take them apart. There's this little retaining ring that circles the perimeter of this gear. So as you can see here, if I poke, you can start to see it rearing its head, and you just have to pull it out and then just wedge your finger underneath it. Maybe your pick would help. And it should come out. And there it is. That's what it looks like. And before I actually disassemble it completely, I'm gonna use my wire brush here just to clean it up a bit. And everything I use in this video, as always, will be linked below. Inspect the quality of the teeth, because if they're chipped or broken, there's no point in proceeding. As you can see here, everything actually looks pretty good for having no lubrication on it. I'm just gonna go the extra step here and clean out the gears of the teeth with my pick here, just to really give this the Ritz-Carlton treatment. The better you clean out a dirty old ratchet like this, the better it will actually perform, because any sort of clog up on the teeth will actually cause it to skip. And you don't want a ratchet to skip while you're using it, especially if it's your emergency ratchet. Here's what I'll use. I like these for coarse teeth or ratchets with low count of teeth. So this was gonna work perfect for this. Now let's just put that retaining ring back on. Opposite as removal. Get one end in first, and then wrap it around. And then usually you can actually do it with your hands just like this, but sometimes you might need a clip or a pick to help get you enough leverage. All right, now we'll want to work it back and forth, moving that lever just to really get that grease spread around. But listen to this. Talk about a difference. It's amazing how little things like this can really help prolong the life of a ratchet. And now, in this case, this one's probably not that much, but it doesn't matter whether it's a snap-on or a cheap Harbor Freight. A little bit of love and attention can help it last just that much longer. If the video was helpful and you learned something, give this video a like and share. Also, feel free to subscribe if you aren't already a subscriber and join the community. I appreciate you watching. Catch you in the next video.